like magic, be like fire.
Disasters strike when you least expect them, and being prepared can make all the difference. From power outages to natural disasters, having the right survival kit could save your life. Let's explore the essential items every emergency kit should include to keep you safe and ready. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 15. EVERLIT 250-piece Survival First Aid Kit. Packed with 250 essential items, this all-in-one survival and first aid kit is designed by Army veterans for emergencies at home, outdoors, or on the road. It includes medical supplies, survival tools like a tactical flashlight, flint, and paracord bracelet, all stored in a tough, water-resistant MOLLE pouch. Compact, lightweight, and built to handle anything from camping to earthquakes, it's ideal for preppers, adventurers, and families who value safety and readiness. Number 14. RHINO Rescue. Loaded with over 300 medical-grade supplies, this professional EMT bag covers CPR, bleeding, burns, fractures, and more. It features durable 900D polyester, organized compartments, and reflective strips for quick access in low light. With tools like a tourniquet, safety hammer, and first aid manual, it's trusted by EMTs, families, and emergency teams. Designed for fast response and easy transport, it's ideal for home, travel, schools, or vehicles. Ready to support life-saving action anytime. Number 13. MyMedic. Compact and built for the outdoors, this first aid kit includes over 45 essential medical supplies like a tourniquet, space blanket, burn aids, and hydration tools. Made in the USA and HSAFSA approved, it's ideal for camping, hiking, and travel. The lightweight design features a tough Hypalon MOLLE panel and a sturdy metal clip for easy attachment, giving you quick access during emergencies. A smart addition to any adventure gear, it's ready for both minor and serious injuries. Number 12. Car Emergency Safety Kit. Packed with 92 essential items, this roadside emergency kit includes jumper cables, a digital air compressor, a 55-piece first aid kit, and key winter tools like a detachable snow shovel and brush. It also features a tire repair kit, safety hammer, warning triangle, flashlight, and more. Ideal for daily commutes or long trips. Designed for all seasons, it fits neatly in your trunk and makes a smart, practical gift for any driver looking to stay safe and prepared. Number 11. Ready America Deluxe Emergency. Designed for 2 people over 72 hours, this emergency backpack includes essential survival gear, food, water, and hygiene items, all recommended by emergency response guidelines. It features a 33-piece first aid kit, Coast Guard-approved food bars, water pouches, purification tablets, and a BPA-free bottle. The pack also includes survival blankets, ponchos, dust masks, a multi-function tool, and a hand crank power station with radio, flashlight, charger, and siren, ideal for disaster readiness in earthquakes, fires, or floods. Number 10. 72 Pro Survival System. Built for real emergencies, this 72-hour kit comes fully loaded with gear for first aid, food, hydration, warmth, and communication. Everything's packed in a tough, waterproof backpack with organized compartments and clear instructions. Designed with input from survival pros, it's perfect for natural disasters, road trips, or unexpected events. Lightweight, practical, and ready to grab at a moment's notice, it's a solid choice for anyone who wants to stay prepared and confident when things take a turn. Number 9. Redfora Complete Earthquake Bag. Packed with must-have gear, this emergency kit covers food, water, first aid, hygiene, and survival tools, all stored in a durable, easy-to-carry backpack. Designed with expert input and updated regularly, it's great for blackouts, evacuations, or sudden disasters. Everything's neatly organized so you can stay calm, prepared, and ready to move when things go wrong. Number 8. Fire Starter Kit. Built for reliable fire starting in tough conditions, this compact kit includes a ferro rod that throws sparks up to 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit. a paraffin-infused hemp wick with a 1-hour burn time, and a birch kindling teepee for quick ignition. The micro bellow helps boost airflow, making it easier to get flames going fast. Packed in a sleek, weatherproof slider tin, it's lightweight, durable, and always ready to spark a fire when you need it most. Perfect for any outdoor or emergency setup. Number 7. TRSCIND Survival Kit. Packed with 13 essential tools, this compact survival kit includes a compass, wire saw, emergency blanket, flint, flashlight, whistle, and more, all stored in a tough, waterproof case. It's built for outdoor adventures like camping, hiking, and fishing, and comes with handy gear like a tactical pen and mini light. Lightweight and easy to carry, it fits perfectly in a backpack or car. A solid gift idea for anyone who loves the outdoors or just wants to stay prepared. Number 6. Bear Grylls Ultimate Survival Kit. Designed for tough conditions, this compact survival kit includes essential tools like a fire starter, multi-tool, emergency blanket, signaling mirror, and fishing gear, chosen with expert input. Everything is packed in a weather-resistant pouch that's easy to carry and store. Ideal for outdoor adventures or unexpected emergencies, it provides practical solutions for staying safe, warm, and prepared. Lightweight and reliable, it's a smart addition to any gear setup for those who take readiness seriously. Number 5. VSSL Camp Supplies 2.0 Kit. Crafted from military-grade aluminum, this compact kit holds over 70 camping essentials in organized screw-top tins. It includes gear for fire starting, first aid, water purification, and lighting, along with an LED flashlight and precision compass. Built to be weather-resistant and easy to carry, it's ideal for outdoor adventures or emergency preparedness. With its durable design and smart layout, it's a reliable addition to any pack, offering the tools you need to stay ready and confident in unpredictable situations. Number 4. JUDY Mover Emergency Backpack. Designed to support up to 4 people, this emergency backpack comes packed with essential supplies for disasters like earthquakes, hurricanes, and more. It includes first aid, food, water, safety tools, and personal care items, all organized in a waterproof, easy-to-carry dry bag. Built for quick access and mobility, it's ideal for families or small groups needing to stay prepared during emergencies. A smart, reliable solution for staying protected, mobile, and ready when every moment counts. Number 3. S.O.L Traverse Survival Kit. Packed with essential survival tools for outdoor situations, this compact kit includes items for fire starting, shelter, signaling, and first aid. Housed in a durable, waterproof case, it keeps everything safe and organized. Featuring a multi-tool, fire starter, whistle, and more, it's perfect for campers, hikers, and anyone who needs to stay prepared in the wild. Lightweight and easy to carry, it ensures you're always ready to tackle unexpected challenges with confidence. Number 2. Blue Coolers Emergency Kit Box. Equipped with essentials to sustain one person for 72 hours, this emergency backpack includes food bars, water pouches, a first aid kit, an emergency blanket, and a rain poncho. Designed for various natural disasters like hurricanes, wildfires, and earthquakes, it ensures you're prepared for any unexpected event. The lightweight, reinforced backpack also includes a flashlight, whistle, and compass, making it a versatile and reliable solution for disaster preparedness. Compact and easy to carry, it's an essential addition to any emergency plan. Number 1. ONETIGRIS Survival Gear Roll. Keep your survival essentials organized and accessible with this compact gear roll. Packed with tools like a multi-tool, fire starter, flashlight, and more, it's designed for outdoor adventures and emergency preparedness. Durable and easy to carry, it ensures you're ready for any situation, whether hiking, camping, or facing unexpected challenges. With its practical design and reliable storage, it's an essential addition to any gear setup for those who value preparedness and efficiency. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.